National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Hardeman County in north central Texas, extreme south central Jackson County in southwestern Oklahoma, northwestern Wilbarger County in north central Texas, until 3:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time at 2:27 p.m. Central Daylight Time. National Weather Service meteorologists detected a severe thunderstorm capable of producing large damaging hail up to golf ball size and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located 7 miles west of Mound, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Chillicothe, Mound, Fargo, Odell, and Cooper's Lake State Park. Severe thunderstorms can produce tornadoes with no warning. Get to a storm shelter sturdy building if a tornado approaches. Move inside the sturdy building until the storm has passed.